Hello, hi, yes, I am Hannah English. I am a pharmaceutical scientist and beauty blogger, so I'm here to talk to you about skincare but with science. But don't worry, it won't be like science class, it'll be cool. We are talking today about Frank Body Skin Actives. We have, did you spot them? Did you spot them behind me? Did you? This is the Brightening Eye Serum. It's quite a creamy serum. And the actives are vitamin C and caffeine. The thing about dark circles is that they're sort of related to hyperpigmentation, and so you want to look for things that say brightening, and vitamin C is definitely one of those things. It's 6% vitamin C and 6% caffeine. So caffeine is actually a fantastic antioxidant as well. It doesn't get enough, people say, oh, drinking coffee, not good for me, I drink too much coffee. No, caffeine is a great antioxidant and it's wonderful for your body. Okay, just keep telling yourself that. It's all in a lightweight hydrating base as well. So you just have something that you can pat in and it will hydrate and brighten, which is kind of all you can ask for from an eye cream. It's also $19.95 and it brightens and it hydrates. And the thing with the skin around your eyes is it's thinner than the rest of your skin. But also we often miss putting sunscreen on that area. So it does have unique concerns. Using a targeted product for that area is a great idea. If anyone says eye cream is useless, tell them Hannah says no. Next up, we have Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Isn't she a beauty? Now, hyaluronic acid is a molecule made up of sugars, like long chains of sugars, and it exists naturally in your skin already. And its job is to grab water and hold it in the skin. And when your skin has enough water, it appears more plump. You might find that your makeup lasts longer when you're using hyaluronic acid serum. And the reason for that is if your skin is craving water, sometimes it tries to pull what it can out of your makeup. And so your makeup will separate on your face and you'll start to see it looking a little bit dry and cracked. If you pop this under your moisturizer and sunscreen before you go in with your makeup, then you'll find that your skin's a lot happier because it's able to hold water. It's got a little helper. Hyaluronic acid depletes in our skin from sort of late 20s. We have less and less and less. So it makes sense to replenish it topically. And this one, look, it feels really silky. So it feels like a luxurious serum. I have tried many serums, occupational hazard. So this one feels nice. I was most impressed by the texture on my first use. You can use this every day. It's super gentle as well. It's actually like replenishing and soothing. I used this one after I had laser last month. The Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum also has vitamin E and ginkgo and ginseng. You can use this one morning and night. Now, the last one is really exciting. So are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, this is a Rewind Retinol Serum and it is a 1% retinol blend. And it also contains niacinamide, which is a delightful, it's vitamin B3 and it's a really nice soothing ingredient that also helps to brighten skin and refine the texture. And it also helps to hydrate your skin, or sort of signal your skin to hydrate itself. Yeah, that's what niacinamide does. The thing about retinol is, honestly, it transformed my skin. It kind of helps with everything. So it helps with breakouts, it helps with texture, so it can over time give you a really sort of like a refined texture, so your pores are less visible and less congested. You know how like kids don't really have visible pores? This will help your skin to do that. This is $24.95, by the way. So excited for you to have something that you can use to do the same thing that you don't have to spend a fortune using. And Frank has been so good with the instructions on how to introduce it. The thing is that retinol can be a little bit fussy and it can make your skin a little bit upset if you're not careful. So they've included instructions that you should use it twice per week for the first month. and then you can up it to 3 times a week or maybe even 4 down the track. My advice to you with introducing a retinol is, yeah, pea size only, so 1 pump, maybe 2. If you are stressed and your skin's really sensitive, I would apply your Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum first, and then let that settle in, and then apply your Retinol Rewind Serum after that, so that your skin kind of has a cushion with the hyaluronic acid, and then you could go in with the retinol. You can also even put them together, so like 1 pump of this, a few drops of this, and then all together to just really amp up the gentle factor. You can buy the entire kit, and it's called the Get Active Face Kit for $59.95 with a neoprene bag. So if you're looking to elevate your skincare routine, get more out of it, get actual results, like real results, then the Get Active Face Kit is your vibe. I love how Frank make good skincare accessible to everyone. We'll talk soon. Bye!